Monday, and class goes on till 4 p.m. I slept pretty late last night because the worksheets that I needed to turn in took a little bit longer than I expected, so I'm a little bit sleepy right now, but I think we'll be fine. Other reason to be at Ulta. I don't even have a reason to treat myself because I did horrible on my quiz today, but there is a half-off offer for Tarte Shape Tape, so you know dang well I'm gonna hop on that. Yo, if y'all ever have back-to-back clinicals for any reason whatsoever, wash your scrubs as often as possible, because quite frankly it is so nasty to bring home that stuff in the first place. Don't wear your scrubs 2 days in a row. It's just bacteria on bacteria. You're probably carrying around diseases that you do not want to catch, so make sure to wash your scrubs often. And also, another tip: before leaving the floor, double wash your hands, and 2, scrub down the bottom of your shoes with like a disinfectant wipe. Like they probably have that somewhere on your floor. Grab a disinfectant wipe and scrub the bottom of your shoes, because that's also nasty. You never know what you're bringing into your house. Your stethoscope, your pen light, your pens and pencils. Just clean everything. Make a little ding note in your head. Weather hit like 37 degrees last night. There's ice on my car. My dad's out here getting buckets of like hot water and splashing it on our windows because the ice is not melting. Hello. Aha. Ooh, brightness. Hello. It's Thursday today, and it is February 7, I believe. And we have work today. I have work today. And I've had work for the last few days. Still have work tomorrow. So, last night I managed to finish 3/4 of my ATI assignments that I had to get done. So I actually managed to do some homework even after work last night, and I did get to work out yesterday too, so lots of things that happened. But I was really tired yesterday, and I just figured, you know, like, I'm gonna take a nap real quick, and then I'll wake up again and I will finish the rest of my homework. Mind you, this is already at like 9:30 p.m. I mean, people do sleep at 9:30. And I tried to take a nap, and I never woke up. And randomly, on my own body clock, I woke up at 4:45 this morning, and I was like, wow, we totally just slept through that entire night. Which is unfortunate, because, you know, I wanted to do some more work, but I did finish something, so it's not like I completely wasted an entire night. I guess that's another tidbit for this week. Don't try to take a nap and finish your homework after, especially if it's at night. It probably won't work out. You're probably gonna be more upset that you had to wake up when you should be actually sleeping. Yes, we're just gonna go through work today. Hopefully get to go to the gym again tonight and fill my PE class requirements and stuff, and that should be it. Have a good day, y'all. tell me why I feel so much more productive to do work now that I have a job and have no time. I don't know really how that works. Ever since I started working, right after work, I come back feeling like I can do 3 weeks worth of homework. Even right now, it's like 5 o'clock and I've been at work for almost 8 hours. You would think I would want to take a nap, but no. I literally feel like I can do so much right now and I feel so hyper productive that I actually think I'm going to do everything right now. But I guess maybe with me, the busier I am, the more I feel like I can do stuff. I don't know how that works. That's just how it is right now.
Was that 15 minutes?
We are at the Getty. But yeah, it's really cold out here, to be honest. But I mean, it's pretty, so check out the view. Am I still in frame mode?
What? Get food somewhere.
Okay. Goodbye, Getty. Y'all, the Getty at night is something else. It's so pretty. Where are we going? I thought we were going to the car.
I thought so too.
Where are we going?
Our whole world.
We're just checking out every single building, I guess.